Breaking news. The first witness in the Madlanga Commission has been assassinated. Yes, it was all fun and games when the commission was making jokes with Ket Matlala, but we must not forget that this man is unhinged, is very dangerous, and he must not be taken lightly or underestimated, because now witnesses will start disappearing. Marius van der Merwe, who was publicly known as Witness D, who was unalived outside his Brakpan home on Friday night. Van der Merwe's explosive testimony in November implicated suspended Ekurhuleni Metro Police Deputy Chief Julius Mkhwanazi and several named Metro police officers, SAPS members, and private security personnel in violent crimes including robbery, torture, and murder. Acting Gauteng Police Commissioner Freddy Kekana confirmed that Van der Merwe was unalived at close range while opening his home gate shortly after 20:30 p.m. at night with his wife beside him. His wife was unharmed. Meanwhile, National Police spokesperson Athlenda Mathe said nothing was stolen. His firearm, cell phone, wallet remained on him. So this was a clear assassination. Now all of a sudden the state is deciding to protect the witnesses in the Madlanga Commission. Why didn't they think about this from the onset? Because they're dealing with a syndicate where some people are not even known that they are criminals, so they could be interacting with witnesses and knowing who's to testify, who's going to be telling the whole truth and nothing but the truth. So they should have done this from the start. So these people need to be in like some witness protection type of thing, because they're not going to survive. I can assure you, because remember, the Senzo Meyiwa trial, a lot of people, hundreds and hundreds of people got assassinated and unalived, like lawyers, even police officers, witnesses. Obviously they couldn't survive. So imagine this thing that is implicating so many people are implicated here, and in government, police officers. So witnesses need to be protected, and that might not even be enough. So I don't know what's to happen now. So if you are a witness in the Madlanga Commission, my prayers are with you.